literally what you guys did.
Yeah.
It was this is what we needed to do to save all these hours and for us to just be able to make that work. We just supplied them the information. So we've saved 3 hours per door.
Ready? Josh, thanks so much for taking some time out of your day to sit down and talk to us.
No, of course. I'm really pleased to do it.
Yeah. So where are we and why are we here?
Okay, so we've chosen today to come to Kirklees College. Kirklees College is a great client of ours for a number of reasons, mainly because when we started installing our system here and speaking to Kirklees, not only did they choose us, but they actually looked at the system and they gave us points and they gave us ideas of what they were looking for and how they wanted to see the system work, which was actually part of our innovation as we were moving forward. So really good client to work with. Sat in the college here today, we're in that innovation zone. We actually have 26 zones here across the college. So it was a good one for you to see.
Yeah, and when you say system, what do you mean by system? What is it that Audiebant does exactly?
Okay, so Audiebant is a mass communication company, mainly around critical incidents. So what we supply is a audible, visual and mobile lockdown system. All of that together brings together this exceptionally good, award-winning, by the way, lockdown system that means that this college can effectively react to critical incidents should it need to.
When you say critical situation, what exactly would a critical situation be?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many critical situations that you would have. What the college has the ability with our system to do, though, is to lock down effectively. So it's the ability to maybe do evacuations, getting people within the building very, very quickly in an orderly fashion. It might be to lock down the building itself, so to tell people exactly what you want them to do within that situation. The threats could be external, so the police have asked the college to go into a lockdown. It could be something that's internal. The system was designed to be able to handle any sort of threat and give out the right communication at the right moment.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
What I understand the use case for the college.
Yep.
What are some other use cases that you'd see this being used?
So you could use this sort of a system in really most settings, most public settings, and that could be anywhere from local authority buildings. It could be within leisure and tourism buildings. We've recently created a whole new product that is very much the software that we already have and that we've already created within Audiebant, but what we've done is we've put that into its own shell. So that's a portable unit. It's battery powered, it's solar trickle charge on there, but it means that if you had an event, if you had a festival or something like that, these units can be deployed and placed in strategic locations. And if there was a big emergency at that moment, it's a way of being able to communicate to thousands of people all at once exactly what you want them to do in that moment. And that's going to have, that's got lights and strobes on it. So if you needed to move people from one place to another, it's a really clever piece of equipment. We're worldwide patent pending on that as well, which is exciting. And we've got a lot of interest on that.
So it sounds like you're a SaaS company, but it also sounds like you're putting hardware in buildings and you're building machines of some sort of equipment. Can you explain a little bit about that?
Yeah, so what we're transitioning towards is just being an HESaaS company. How we've always been, though, in the past is we've done everything from end to end. So we've met the clients, we've spec'd the system, we've supplied all of the hardware they would need, speakers, amps, computers, all that kind of stuff. We've grown exponentially over the last 4 years, and it's got to a point now where we physically can't keep up with the amount of business that's coming to us. So what we decided was the best way to go now is a HESaaS model. It is having distributors and integrators and letting them do all the installations, let them make all the money out of doing the big installations, and we'll do what we do best, and that's supply that NUC device with our software on it. And we're an award-winning company for our software. We do something that nobody else in the marketplace does. And for that reason, this morning we won, it was literally just this morning, we won our first contract in Europe, which is very exciting, a government contract over there. We have another one that's very, very close. We're dealing with quite a few people over in the States at the moment. So yeah, we're taking our product worldwide.
That's great. Yeah, that's awesome. Congrats. You've been saying this word, right, throughout when you've been talking, and it's the word NUC. So obviously the reason that we're here today is because SNUC has helped you from the hardware perspective in supplying your edge compute devices. Can you talk a little bit about the relationship that you developed with SNUC?
Yeah, I mean, really easy relationship from the off. In the past, what we were doing was we were having to buy these small NUC devices and from all sorts of different suppliers, and they'd go out of stock and they weren't overly helpful. So we thought, we need something else. We need to find somebody that is going to be able to supply everything that we need on time, no problems. And that's why we first met SNUC. From meeting them, though, we actually told them what our real issues were, and that was we need to upload MAC addresses onto every one of our devices before they go to a client. That, for us, was taking about 3 hours per device from somebody sat in my office doing it. So obviously it was a lot of time, a lot of money in wages doing that. So when we explained this to SNUC, they said, we can help you with that. We can upload all of that for you, which was just, amazing for us. And we did that. Really simple, and it kind of just went from there. They've been great to work with. It's meant that we could scale. It's a massive headache for us that we got rid of, and we could scale really quickly.
Yeah, you're also mentioning you have a lot of innovation. It sounds like you're creating this new device with solar, and it sounds like that might not necessarily be in the comfort of an air-conditioned room. And I'm curious, in that process, how has it been working with SNUC on an edge device that is not necessarily for a climate-controlled condition?
No, it's been great. I mean, we've taken them a number of different use cases, just from potential clients that have come to us. So people from the Middle East have come to us and said, we really like this. So we've gone straight to SNUC and said, this could be deployed here. Yeah. And we need to make sure we run emergency systems at the end of the day. So we need to make sure that those work. It's our main priority. So we've taken SNUC where this could possibly go and said, you need to spec us what's going to work in that environment. And they've been great to work with.
Why work with SNUC versus one of the bigger companies?
I suppose the best thing about them is that if we're innovating and we need something that might be a bit different or something that they're not already supplying, we take them that idea. So within our new portable unit, for example, we needed to be able to work in these extra hot temperatures, might go out to the Middle East. We take that to them and say, this is something that we need. Can you come back to us with some ideas and some plans? We're not having to look anywhere else. We know that from a design point of view, we can throw them that problem. We'll carry on working on our software, and we tell them what we need that part for, and they'll come back to us and say, right, this is what you guys need. And that's the great thing about working with them.
Josh, thank you so much for spending time with me today at Kirklees College. I really appreciate it. I know you're very busy. It means a lot, and I'm so glad that we've got such a great relationship with you at SNUC. And I look forward to more and more years, and hopefully we get to have another conversation and talk more about where you're deploying your products.
No problem. Really appreciate the time as well.
Thanks.
Thank you.